Hello, how you doing? Look, we're going to make a vegetable stew today. We've got some brown lentils in there. Any selection of vegetables works. It's healthy. It's vegetarian, it's vegan, it's delicious. Welcome back to How to Cook Great. So let's take a look at the vegetables that I'm using. So I've got onion and I've got the brown lentils cooked. They're essential. These four, up to you. So I'm using eggplant, carrot, zucchini or courgettes, or green beans or French beans, whatever you call them. Everything here is roughly about 2 cups. And we're also going to be adding a teaspoon of salt, pepper and cumin, a tablespoon of garlic, and 135 grams of tomato paste. That is one of those kind of small little Tetra Pak things, you know what I mean? So you're going to need a wok type thing that I have here, or a saucepan. In there I've got 2 tablespoons of olive oil. You can use a different oil if you want. We're going to start off with the 2 cups, like everything's equal parts of onion. I'm going to get my carrots in now as well, and the tablespoon of garlic. Now think about mushrooms, celery, there's lots of other different types of veg that you can be putting in here. Slightly above medium heat, we're going to go for about 4 to 5 minutes. Fabulous. I'm now going to go in with my French beans and my eggplant. And again, we're going to go for about another 4 minutes. And next up, we're going to go in with the cooked brown lentils. We're going to add the salt, pepper and cumin, a teaspoon each. And again, 4 minutes, stirring fairly often now. And like I say, with the lentils, you just wash them through in some cold water, boil them. These ones don't take long, only take about 6 or 7 minutes to cook. Great stuff. Next up, the 135 grams of tomato paste. In that goes. Really want to cook this, so I'm going to go for another 4 or 5 minutes, stirring fairly often. And for my final vegetable, I'm going to put in my zucchini. You can see that I've actually peeled these ones. They weren't looking super beautiful on the outside, so I just peeled them off. Just a mix for like 1 minute, then we're going to add some liquid to this. I'm going to use some vegetable stock, but if you wanted, you could use water. And then here we go. I've got 200 ml of vegetable stock. Like I said, if you want, water's fine. We're going to lower the heat now to a simmer. We're going to let this go for about 5 or 6 minutes. We're going to give it a stir every now and then. We've very much nearly done it. Delicious. Okay, off goes the heat, and we've got ourselves a really lovely vegetable lentil stew there. Check it for salt, it's going to be great for me. Now I'm going to add some cilantro or coriander. You could add mint, parsley, some other fresh herb in there. All adds to the beautifulness of it. That's it, job done. Let me get that served up. So you can have that with some jacket potatoes, maybe as a filling, with some rice, with some bread, or just as it is. It's delightful. I hope you enjoy that. Keep safe, keep well. I'll see you soon. Lots of love. Thanks a lot for getting to the end of the video. If you'd like to give me a thumbs up, that does help us out quite a lot with the algorithm and such like. Subscribe if you like, you'll get notified about what we're doing. There's a thanks button if you want to donate. See you soon.